Today I want to tell you a story of a boy who lost his younger brother at the age of 10, his father at the age of 13, and the only person he loved in his life, his extremely precious mother, at the age of just 18. Very dream he fought for. And then he ran out of money. Life started to collapse. Then, to survive, he started working as a laborer and selling paintings in the street. What do you think? What would have happened to this boy? Did he emerge or I say disappear in poverty or become something else? I tell you, this boy name is Adolf Hitler. He was born in 1889 in Austro-Hungarian Empire to Alois and Clara Hitler. Alois was a custom officer in Austro-Hungarian Empire, a stable and a respected job in Austro-Hungarian Empire. In his childhood, the Adolf Hitler was a good student. He even sang Christian choir and even considering becoming a priest. But everything changed when his younger brother Edmund died of measles. Transformed Hitler completely from a cheerful boy to a silent and troubled boy. He started having clashes with his father and even with his teacher. Sir Alois Hitler wanted his son to like him a civil servant, a respected and a stable job in Austro-Hungarian Empire. But Hitler refused. Why? He wanted to be an artist. This created a constant clash between father and son. Then came a final blow. Alois Hitler died suddenly. This created Hitler another loss. A final devastation in his life came. The only person he loved in his life who was left, his mother, died of cancer and he was just 18. Then he moved to Vienna to chase his dreams of becoming an artist. He applied in University of Vienna of Fine Arts but was rejected. Then he applied again. And in a letter was said that he was not good enough. He was not good enough from the very dream he fought for his father for. With no degree, with no stable income, with no family, Hitler's life began to collapse. To survive, he needs to now work at odd jobs and sell his paintings in the streets of Vienna. Then, to avoid military service in Austro-Hungarian Empire, Hitler moved to Munich in Germany. Then World War I occurs. Germany was at World War I, a leader of Axis power against Allied nations. Hitler, from his childhood, was a German nationalist. So when Germany gone to World War I, although he was an Austrian citizen, he volunteered to join the German army and was accepted and given the post dispatch officer. He used to run between the frontal lines to carry important official information. In first battle of Ypres, he fought and was awarded the Iron Cross. Then in 1918, Germany surrendered. For him, it was like everything in his life taken away from him just once again. The Germany was broken, humiliated, rejection, loss, the anger that was building up silently. In next episode, we will see how this broken nation gone to help this broken man Adolf Hitler and make him their leader.